Hello and welcome to Glamwiz. We are thrilled to have you on board, and here is a quick guide to help you take your measurements for the perfect fit. So for blouse alteration, there are a few measurements which are very essential, such as your shoulder width, your round bust, length of the blouse, round hemline. Now hemline is the point where you want your blouse length to end. So that's your hemline. This is your armhole. So let's see how to take these measurements. So basically for blouse alteration, the very first measurement which we need is the length. So you start measuring the length from the nape till the desired length. So basically, what is a nape? A nape is where your neck ends and your shoulder starts. So you have to start measuring your length from this point, from your nape. Passing the measure tape through the fullest part of your bust. Do not take it on left or right. Take it straight till the length. And just mark the desired length which you want and note it down. The second measurement which we need is the shoulder. So you always take shoulder measurement from your back. And then how do you measure the shoulder? From the shoulder tip, from one shoulder tip to another shoulder tip. Just like this. So basically you have to consider the armhole round as your shoulder tip. So this is my armhole round and I'm considering this as my first shoulder tip, passing my measure tape through the neck and measuring the second shoulder tip. Now, some people can measure their shoulders like this, which we don't have to do. It should be always like this, from the top of your shoulder. Now, the third measurement which we need is the round bust. So round bust is again the fullest part of your round bust. So you start putting your measure tape over the fullest part of your bust and measure it like this. Make sure that the measure tape is aligned and in one line, one level, like this. Then comes your round hem. So round hemline is where your length of the blouse ends. So you have to consider the length of the blouse like this, mark it somewhere on your body, and then you have to measure the round hemline, something like this. Next measurement is your armhole. So you have to take measure tape underneath your armpit and measure the armhole, something like this. Now for blouses, we can take tight armhole. So for blouse armhole, we are not going to leave any ease while measuring the armhole, like this. So this is going to be your round armhole. It has to be tight. You have to measure it tightly, something like this. And the last measurement which we need for the blouse is the neck depth. So again, you have to measure your neck depth from the nape. So this is your nape. Starting from the nape till the desired neck depth you want. You have to measure your front neck and back neck crosswise, just like this. You will measure your back neck something like this, crosswise. So I hope this video was useful and you're able to take the perfect measurement for the perfect alterations. Thank you so much.